To apportion the Alabama Congress using the Jefferson method, I will start out after the standard quota has already been calculated. The next step would be to calculate the rounded quota. Like the Hamilton method, it is rounded down, so we'll use the same formula. Equals int, open parentheses, and then click on the standard quota. Close parentheses, hit enter. And then I'll drag this all the way down the page. And then I will sum that column. Once again, I find out I have 164 given away, so I have 36 left to give. Now in the Jefferson method, the next thing we do is calculate a modified divisor. The modified divisor in the Jefferson method is the population divided by the rounded quota plus 1. So the formula will be equal to population divided by open parentheses rounded quota plus 1. Close parentheses. Hit enter. Then I will drag this all the way down the page. To choose a modified divisor, I want to choose one as close as possible to the standard divisor. So what I need to do is I need to put these in order. So I'll paint all of my data, choose data, sort. I'm going to sort by modified divisor, and I want it descending since all of my numbers are smaller than the standard divisor. Now this number is the closest number to the standard divisor. So what I'll need to do for it is create a modified divisor 2. And the formula for it will be equal to population divided by open parentheses rounded quota plus 2. Close parentheses. Enter. Now I'll choose the next closest modified divisor, which seems to be for Morgan County. So all I need to do is drag this down. Now I'll continue to choose modified divisors in this fashion. I'm comparing all of these modified divisors 2 with the remaining modified divisor 1s. At this point, I see the highest remaining here is 21,147, but up here I have a 21,282. So I will need to create a modified divisor 3. It will go in the spot beside Jefferson County. The formula for it will be equals the population divided by open parentheses rounded quota plus 3. Close parentheses. Now I'm going to compare the modified divisor 2 here, this modified divisor 3, these modified divisor 2s, and the remaining modified divisor 1s. And I will choose the largest. It seems to be Butler County. So I will continue this process. Now 21,108, 21,040, we're still continuing this way. But now when I go to 20,901, this value for Mobile, Alabama is the highest. So I will need to copy Jefferson's modified divisor 3, pasted at Mobile, I am always checking the last number in a row. So I'm comparing these numbers, this one, these two, this one, all of these, and then all of these. Now we'll continue to do this until I've given away 36 seats. Once I've done this, I will be able to calculate my final apportionment. The final apportionment will be a formula equal to the rounded quota plus COUNT, open parentheses, and we're going to count from modified divisor 2 until our last modified divisor. We'll close parentheses, hit enter. I'll then drag this all the way down the page. I'll click below that column and sum. As you can see, I have 180 seats, so I've not given away the last 20 yet. But for the sake of time now, I'm now going to assume that I've given away all of them. I'm going to paint all the data. The last thing I'll do will be to sort these by column A, ascending, to put them back in alphabetical order. And that will complete the apportionment using the Jefferson method.